So hi guys, welcome to BGC. So BGC is located at the heart of the Gig City. Here in BGC guys, you can see entertainment, gardens, cafe. And this is one of the newest lifestyle district of Manila. And now guys, we have a Friday night here at BGC. I will tour you around. Let's go. So this is the way guys, going to the 3D lead screen. So you can see at night there are a lot of people relaxing on the bench. So may mga upuan dito guys, pwede kayo magtambay, magdala ng mga pagkain. Pag Friday guys, ang daming tao dito. Friday night, especially Saturday night. Look at this bench. Pwede magtambay dyan, magdala ng pagkain. So, this is the famous first 3D lead screen. Okay guys, that's the famous 3D lead screen. The first 3D lead screen in the Philippines. Dito lang yan sa Taguig City, sa BGC. So dito yung may pinakamaraming tao. So guys, ang daming tao dito. So, if I observe this one, I've been to Queensland, Australia. So, para siya Queensland, Australia. So, look at this 3D lead screen. So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Taguig City. This is the main street of Taguig where you can see the 3D lead screen. The first 3D lead screen in the Philippines. So today is Friday. So ang daming tao dito. So hi guys, here in BGC, if you heard BGC, you feel like it's very expensive as it sounds. Pero actually marami ding mura dito. May mga Jollibee, McDonald's. So yung affordable mo na mga pagkain na gusto, nandito rin. Pero most of the stores here, may mga mamahalin din. Katulad nung nasa likod mo, Gentle Monster. Yan guys, a bit expensive. It's new, it's very famous. So kahit you have 500 pesos guys, you can still roam around BGC and you can still eat and enjoy because everything here is free. The parks are free. The lahat dito maraming free din. May SM Aura, may Market kasi very famous what they call famous shopping center. Everything is very affordable. Pero pag nandito ka guys, I'll tell you, the place is look like you are outside the Philippines. You are parang nandun ka sa ibang bansa. So guys, if you want to visit BGC, just come here. Ito yung area kung saan ako nagtatambay lagi because it's very close to my condominium. So most of the time weekends, pumupunta lang ako dito nagtatambay sa Starbucks. So hopefully guys, you already have the idea about BGC. So hindi naman sobrang mahal dito. Lahat okay, walang problema. You can still enjoy even konti lang yung pera niyo. So hey guys, ito yung park na pwede tambayan dito. At saka maraming bar dito na nakaikot lang. So ikaw na mamimili. Actually it's affordable also. Like 499%. So this area is BGC bar area. Guys, kung gusto nyo pumunta sa mga bar, ito yung area ng BGC kung saan maraming bar. Tabi-tabi lang sila. So it's a Forbes town area. Affordable lang naman dito. It's like around 399 pesos to 499. May mga mura din na mga inumin. So hi guys, overall from 1 to 10, it's a 10. Why? Everything is here in BGC. From shopping center to hotels, staycation, bar, restaurants. I think everything is here already in BGC. If you have a friend who will come to Manila, bring them in BGC. And guys, if you want to explore the entire BGC, there are also bikes and scooters that you can rent. So dito sa BGC guys, yun ang magagawa mo dito. Ang dami mong magagawa kahit dito ka lang sa area na to. So mag-i-enjoy ka pa rin kahit hindi ka nalalabas sa BGC. Lahat ng kailangan mo na enjoyment, relaxation, lahat nandito na. So guys, come and visit when you are free.